Hello again, everyone, and welcome to this module, Module 6, devoted to the topics of organizational structure, organizational culture, and organizational change. In this module, we're going to be talking about how the decisions that organizations make about how work will get done in their company dictates the type of organizational chart that they have. Some charts are kind of wide but very narrow. There aren't a lot of steps in the hierarchy. Other organizational charts are very narrow and steep, and there are a lot of different levels. Life in these organizations can be very different depending upon the structure. We're also going to talk about organizational culture, which, for want of a better word, is the personality of the company. How do people treat each other? What values does the company sort of universally embrace? What makes it different from other companies that may be in the very same field as them? That's what organizational culture is all about. And we're going to spend a fair bit of time addressing the issue of organizational change. Not surprisingly, people usually resist change, and that includes employees and work organizations. And this is a real problem for managers and other planners who are trying to get companies to do things in a new and perhaps more efficient way. Anyway, those are the topics we're going to be covering in this module. And I'll apologize in advance and give you a bit of warning. The workload in this module is a little heavier than in some other modules. There are two full chapters, chapter 15 and 16 in the textbook, but you're also going to be reading a bunch of pages from chapter 18. There are also, excuse me, some outside readings for this module. And in addition to all of that, there's a written assignment that goes with this module. In this written assignment, you're going to be assessing the organizational culture of some organization that you have been a part of at some point in your life. It could be an organization you're part of right now, or it could be someplace you've worked in or been a member of in the past. I think you'll find that the PowerPoint presentations for this module line up pretty well with the reading. So there are not going to be a lot of extra things in the PowerPoints that you will also not find in the readings. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this module, and let's get started.